So hello YouTube, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to get leads for payroll. Okay, so pay attention. So first you go to apollo.io. okay, so Apollo is technically free for 13 days, so you can keep on creating fresh accounts each time. Alright, so create an account on the website and log in. Okay, preferably you can use Google and then sign in. So after creating your account, you go to people and search. Okay, after you click email status and click verified. Okay, it should pop up out a list of verified users. Now go to job title and search payroll manager. Okay, next go to location. What you're trying to do is filter mails. You can either select USA or Canada, depending on which account you would love to receive money. Now it should bring out a list of payroll managers. Now select a payroll manager and add it to your lead sender. In this case, I'll be selecting Caroline Cox, so copy the name. Next step, open your webmail sender file, click on leads and start copying. Now we are going to access her email. Right click and click select. Click access email. Next, copy her email and add it to the part that says manager's email. Now the payroll manager's name and email has been successfully added. Next step is to go to worker's name. This is her employees. As you can see, she has about 6,000 employees. Okay, so you click on it and it should bring a list of employees and their emails. Okay, so copy their name and their emails. Now note, don't copy the first 10 names. They are usually top positions, and as you know, a director can't be receiving salary. Okay, so be smart. So scrolling down, I've added a name, Serum Ozek, and his position, payer engagement analyst. I'll add that to my leads, and so you can do this for as many employees as you want and their emails. Okay, so you just put it together in the file. So once you're satisfied with your email leads, you can click Ctrl S to save the file. Ensure you save the file. Okay, so finally you go to your webmail payroll sender and start blasting. The sender automatically hits inbox. Your mails doesn't go to spam, so you instantly get replies asking for your payment details. Okay, so if you're interested in the webmail sender, be sure to send a DM. If you're interested in private tutorials on how to gather payroll leads, be sure to send a DM. Okay, so thanks for watching the tutorial. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification so you do not miss my next video.